Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today it's very good news for the on iPad users. As you guys know, I've made some videos about DaVinci Resolve on iPad. Well, I am happy to say now that if you go to the App Store, you can search up installer and install it for free, completely free. Now that we've installed it, we're going to open it and I'll further explain what installer is. And now we have installer open and we signed into our account. You can make a free account on the website. I'll put a link in the description below to the website. It's Motion VFX. Motion VFX is a site where you can actually download different plugins. Some are free, some are paid for Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, so on and so forth. This video focuses on DaVinci Resolve, particularly on iPad. Since these are here for iPad, that means that you can now use plugins on iPad. So if we click download to Matrix, it asks us where we want to save it, or whether it asks us where our DaVinci Resolve folder is. So we're going to click on my iPad, DaVinci Resolve, and open, because that's where our DaVinci Resolve is located. We're going to hit download one more time, and now it's completed. So now we go into DaVinci Resolve, and we should see Matrix pop up as a plugin. Okay, we just opened DaVinci Resolve, and we can already see right here all the Matrix stuff, the Matrix effects, all of it. It's honestly pretty cool, because that means we can actually do different plugins and stuff on here. Any plugin that Motion VFX has, we can actually do on here, which is very good, honestly. We can drag and drop stuff. We can do different visuals, the audio generator, the different stuff. There's, transitions. It just installs all of the stuff very simply. And now it's on iPad, which I think is brilliant. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.